Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, March 24th. Hope online learning is going well for all of you. Just wanted to talk about today's assignment. So you should be able to see the screen. I'm in first period just for the sake of having a class to demo. When you get in here, you'll see my video, which will be posted when I'm done with this. And then you'll of course see your assignment. When you click on assignment, it lets you know. For today, you need to read chapter 10. You need to complete chapter 10 assignment. I'll open that and show you in just a moment. And then review everything you've done so far, because tomorrow you will have a summative test over chapter 1 through 10. We are going to put some formatives in the gradebook from last week. And then of course this will be a summative that you'll take over chapters 1 through 10. Okay. There's the PDF version of the story like I told you. And then assignment 10 it looks similar to something you've done when I think you guys did this for chapters 1 through 3. You have 2 vocab words, what's the meaning based on how they're used, and then there are 5 questions. So just respond to those questions and then put that in Schoology. And then of course just study for your summative. That's the only thing you'll do tomorrow is your summative, okay? And I'll get back on and video chat with you about that tomorrow, okay? No discussions today or post. That's all you'll need to do is complete that. When you are completing these assignments, most of you seem to have a handle on it, but I just want to put this out there. I think you guys have a markup tool. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. You guys probably know more about the iPad than I do. So when you're on there, you can simply open this up, use the markup tool, whatever it is. Most of you are typing in an answer. And that's working well. And then what you need to do is save it as a screenshot. Take a screenshot and submit the image. If there's more than one page, there's not for this one, but there were on some of the assignments. Make sure you take an image and submit each page. We will get all of the pages you submit, okay? So make sure you do that. That way, if for some reason all of a sudden we open it up and it's blank, it doesn't just save it. You can't just save it like if you put the markup on there and don't take a screenshot and you think you're saving it and submitting it, it doesn't come through that way. It actually will come back to us blank. So make sure you take the screenshot and submit the image, okay? And then I think we'll be fine. As you can imagine with for us with 4 class periods, 103 students, it's taken us a while to also navigate all of the assignments coming in, keeping up with emails, parent calls, and your discussion posts. So it's going to take us a minute to get through and start grading some of the assignments, and so you'll start seeing those grades go in maybe over the weekend. It's going to take us a minute to do that, okay? So otherwise, hope you all have a great day. Don't forget, email me if you need to. Give us a shout out. Send us a hello. Say something. If you want to send a video, please do whatever, okay? I don't care if you send me a video of you playing outside for a bit because our weather's been kind of nice. So get out, play, send us something, say hello. We miss y'all. Have a great day. Bye.